This is the last garden tour of 2022. Have a lot going here in the seed starting station. I got actually uppot or plant out just about everything here. The amaranth has really taken off, both varieties. I've got cuttings from tomatoes, sweet potatoes, Mestizo spinach. Got more tomato here. More tomato over here, which is going to be going out. The cranberry hibiscus is producing a lot of beautiful flowers. A lot of people like to make tea out of these flowers. My cucumber melons are still hanging in there. They would have done a lot better if it wasn't for the storm. I only got one cucumber melon out of the whole thing so far. Not sure how well they're going to do going forward though. I still have a lot of work to do with cleanup, though you can see the plants are bouncing back pretty well. The moringa is looking pretty good. My okra is still producing even though it's on its way out. The biggest change is right here. I dismantled my cement and raised bed and built this instead. This rack here I found owned in a neighbor's garbage can down on the street. So now I have this nice table for all my plants. Here I have my jicama. Oh, I'm starting off some lettuce right here. You can see it just sprouted. I have these things on top of it to keep squirrels from digging in there. I have an avocado, which I found on the avocado from down the street and planted the seed. My mint and more jicama. And those are lilies back there. I have some stuff planted out here in this bed. They've been kind of struggling to get it established because of the heat. But we're doing pretty good so far. We got Ethiopian kale. Black magic kale. And 2 varieties of broccoli. Over here I'm trying to start carrots. I have this covering on here to keep the moisture in, since they don't really need the light at the moment. I actually should check on these right now. Let's do that right now while I'm filming. Just using wooden clothespins to hold it down. In fact, it looks like it's time for me to remove this because I see a bunch of sprouts coming up. I guess this technique works. I'll just have to remove this right now. I've got the top removed here. You see all the little sprouts of the carrots coming up. They came up a lot quicker than I expected. I'm gonna have to water this in a little bit, it looks like. To water these plants, I'll be using this camping shower. It's connected to a battery. I just put a extra filter on here for any junk in the water. That just goes in there. Start the button. This provides a very gentle watering system, so it doesn't disturb the young plants. You can see the plants are not disturbed by it's almost like getting rained on. Since the lettuce is starting to pop up as well, we'll use it here too. Just a little bit of watering. This bed is in preparation. I'm chopping up all the weeds and stuff that were in here. It's going to become mulch for the next thing I put in here, which is going to be radishes. The volunteer sweet potato is looking quite nice, producing quite a number of pretty flowers. My rosemary looks like it's struggling a little bit. I'm going to have to probably up pot this and clean it up a bit. Tried to take a cutting of my moringa. Doesn't look like it's becoming established though. It looks like it's going to die because it's already dead at the tip here. But there's still a possibility for this lower part here. I'm gonna have to cut it maybe about here right now. Katuk's doing pretty good. Got some Bala Intermitsuba. Ginger is definitely on its way out. I really need to harvest this. Not really sure how to finish this video up, so here's a shot of the chickens.